Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be this super simple but elegant card using the Part of My Story stamp set as well as the dual butterfly punch. So the part of my story stamp set even is available free with qualifying orders of £45 and it's available in Celebration. So let's move it out the way and let's move our card over. So I'm starting with a base of basic grey cardstock and that's just a standard C6 size, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in, I've lost my piece of Whisper White, just a scrap piece of Whisper White and my dual butterfly punch, and just punch two of them out like so. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to punch out a further 5 little tiny ones that you see there. So to save time, I have already done that magic, and all we're going to do is start gluing these down. So I know the big butterfly is going to be in the centre like so. I want them to overlap slightly, so I know 2 end ones here and then 2 more need to fit in here and here. So with that in mind, I'm going to grab my dimensionals and I'm just going to grab my mini ones to start with. I'm going to take 2 of the smaller butterflies and then this larger one I'm just going to pop up on dimensionals as well, and I can put these down and then we can slot in the remaining butterflies afterwards. So making sure it's straight and in the middle like so, then these 2 either end there. And there. So you can see I haven't got that quite in the middle, but hey, it's okay. I'm literally just going to bring in my multi-purpose adhesive or liquid glue, pop a little bit on the back, spread it out, and just place these between the 2 like so. So you might notice that I've done some type of mirroring effect. So I know this one's going inwards, I'm going to place this one going inwards as well. And then with these 2, again just a little bit of adhesive. I'm going to do these ones going outwards. Like so. And this one as well. Just pop it out up here. Okay, so that's all the punching done and dusted. Now you might be asking why I've done that before I've stamped the sentiment. That's from that stamp set Part of My Story, and the reason for that is the sentiment sits perfectly between these butterflies, so I wanted to get my position of that correct before I stamped the sentiment. So I'm just going to pat down some embossing buddy. I'm going to bring in my Versamark ink, as well as that stamp which says the world needs more people like you. I'm sure we can all think of someone we can send this type of card to, and just place that down in the centre like so. So obviously right now you can't see it very well, but as soon as I bring in my white embossing powder and sprinkle that over, you will see it come to life. Let me just put that away. So I have just got a little bit of everything here. Quickly take that off. So you can see a little speck there. So now all you're going to do is heat set this so that it goes vibrant. So it will be noisy, FYI. So there you have that all stamped. You'll see from the heat embossing the top of the card has warped slightly. So I just like to give it a little bit of a bend between my hands just to straighten up them fibres. And even you could pop this into your stamp apparatus and weigh it down with the magnets, and that way it sits nice and firm and it will straighten it out perfectly. So just quickly give this another little powder. So it's nice and clear and clean. And to finish the card off, all I'm going to do is bring in some pretty little rhinestones. And I'm just going to use them to fill up some of the area. And again, I'm just mirroring where I put them on the other side of the card. Just so we have that coherence. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a quick, elegant card. I will see you around. Bye.